Now students, after learn the formation of letter capital A and small a on both, now we are going to start work in our book number 1. So please open your book number 1, and in this you need to open the page number 2121. Okay students, here you have to mention today's date first and please mention classwork. Students, here we are going to do practice of writing the letter A. As you know, this is a capital A. Which A is this? This is capital A. So firstly we will trace this letter, then color the picture. So let's start. As you all know, I have discussed the formation of capital A in live class and on board as well. In English, we are having 4 lines, 1 red, 2 blue and 1 red, isn't it? So for writing letter A, capital A, we required only 3 lines, 1 red and 2 blue. Okay, so we will start from blue line to red line. As you can see, the direction of first step is this. We will start from blue line to red line, go up. This is a forward slant line. Do it slowly, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay. First step is done. The second step, we have to come down towards backward from red line to blue line. It's a backward slant line. With the help of rewriting strokes, we can write each and every letter. Now the third step, we have to join these 2 lines together on blue line, like this. This is the letter A, capital A. And do you know what is the sound of A? A says A. A says A, apple. Students, which picture is this? This is the picture of apple. So we will color this apple. And do you know what is the color of the apple? It is red in color, isn't it? So you need to require your red color and start make outline of this apple. Do it slowly students, okay? Firstly you have to make outline and do it slowly. It will not come outside. If your coloring will be neat and clean, then ma'am will give you smileys, okay? Speak and write students. A for apple, Apple is red in color. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, we need to take an apple regularly. So my outline is done. Now I am going to fill the inside portion. Okay, do it slowly. See students, I have colored this apple. So in the same way you need to color your apple in a very good coloring. Okay, it should not be go outside. Fine. Now students, here we have to trace and write letter A. Okay, and while writing, parents please encourage the child to name the picture and read aloud the letter while tracing and writing. So let's start. It starts from blue line to red line. Firstly we will do tracing. Come down from red line to blue line. Make a sleeping line. It's letter A. Which letter is this? It's letter A. Capital A. Which A is this? Capital A. Which A students this? Capital A. Speak and write. Capital A. Now students, here I have mentioned 3 dots on this line, 1, 2, 3, and on this line I have put only 1 dot on blue line because the first step is we have to go upward. So in the same way you need to ask your mama to put dots, okay, so that you can write easily. So firstly we will start writing on 3 dots, then we will write on single dot. So let's start. Blue line to red line, 1 slant line. Red line to blue line, 1 more slant line. Then make a sleeping line. Capital A. Speak and write. A apple. A aeroplane. A ambulance. A astronaut. A X. Now how to write on single dot? Keep your pencil here and go up to the red line, come down to the blue line. Then make a sleeping line in between. Capital A. A apple. A aeroplane. A X. A ambulance. A abacus. Okay students, in this way you need to complete your page number 2121. After completing this, you need to turn your page and open the page number 2222. Okay, here also you need to mention today's date and classwork. So students, here we have to trace the letter. Firstly, we need to trace the letter. As you know, this is a small a. Which is the small a? Circle the picture that starts with A. We have to circle that pictures with pictures start with letter A. So firstly start tracing. For writing small a, we require blue line. These two blue lines only. So the first step, as you can see, we will start from the mid like this. Blue line to blue line in this way. Then make a standing line from blue line to blue line. This is small a. Okay. Now tell me, a moon? No. A arrow? Yes. So we will circle the picture of arrow. Okay students? Now students, here we have to trace and write. So firstly we will do tracing. Blue line from here. Make a curve, right open curve and make a standing line. Make a right open curve and make a standing line. Make a right open curve, blue line to blue line, make a standing line. This is small letter A. Which letter is this? It's small letter A. Now students, ask your mama papa to put 2 dots on this line and single dot on this line. So firstly start writing on 2 dot. These 2 dots are now, we will start from here, go to the blue line, come back to the blue line, go here and make a standing line. This is small a. Which A is this? Small a. Which A students? Small a. Now here we are writing on single dot. So keep your pencil here. Go up, make a right open curve here and make a standing line. Small a. Make a right open curve, blue line to blue line, standing line. Make a right open curve from blue line to blue line, then standing line. This is small a. In this way you need to complete your page number 2222. Okay students?